ARte is a smartphone app available as a web service and based on IoT paradigm for Sapienza University of Rome's Arte Classica Museum, which aims to improve the interaction between users and artworks, providing useful info for the museum managers and helping preserving distance. ARte project uses STM32 Nucleo boards, X-Nucleo expansion boards, and ST-Eval evaluation boards to build its physical environment. Here we emulated them through software. What is happening here is a quick setup of the environment with the sensor initialization phase, the opening of the interfaces, the setting of the bridge which will interface with the AWS broker. All the components run on RiotOS and take specific parameters. The museum component takes the number of the rooms. Each room takes its own ID, the number of the infrared sensors and the maximum value that can be sent. Each sensor takes the ID of its room and its maximum value. Terminals also emulate, with colored prints, the LEDs distributed into the museum. But how are these values used in the web app? ARte project fully exploits IoT functionalities using motion sensors of the ST-Eval board and people counting sensors of the X-Nucleo one to produce interactive augmented reality and music features. A personalized and real-time changing experience is generated every time. People flow inside the museum is transformed into a new artwork reimagination for the user. AR web app includes 4 features which help visitors interact with artworks in a new way. Beyond the already mentioned reimagination and music features, we also propose storytelling and contextualization. AR web app also allows users to rotate the models and pinch to zoom it.
The Artemision bronze, often called the God from the Sea, is an ancient Greek sculpture that was recovered from the sea off Cape Artemision.
Another small button allows users to read useful descriptions of the artworks. Then, through the right top icon, users can access a section dedicated to the crowding problem. A visual representation helps users to avoid crowded rooms. Let's have a look at Manager's dashboard. In the General section, we make use of all the database tables, artworks, rooms, and daily stats. The first shows data about app usage and available artworks. The second shows most visited rooms, and the third is used to display visitors' flow and income graphs, together with respective statistics. In Rooms section, we obtain data from the database and not from the broker, again showing the crowding situation in the museum. In Artworks section, managers obtain info about artworks, just searching in the search bar. Each artwork has statistics about AR web app usage. In the app page, managers can also insert new elements, just filling a simple form and loading 3D models. The form interacts with the artworks table. The edit page also allows a review phase for already published artworks.